Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing Zoey from K-Pop Demon Hunters. It's going to be an easy and fun drawing, and I'll show you step by step. Come join us. Alright guys, today we're drawing Zoey from K-Pop Demon Hunters, and let's get started. I'm excited. So first thing we're going to do is draw her bangs, or the front of her hair. And what we're going to do is, right in the middle of the paper, we're going to leave space on each side. We're going to draw a big curve like a rainbow. So here we drew our first rainbow. We left space on the side and a decent amount on the top. So from here we could draw her bangs. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make like the little fringes or the little separations. And what I'm gonna do is we're gonna make a horizontal line from this point, and we're gonna make a curve that goes up to a point that goes to the right. From this curve, we're gonna come back down right at the same spot the horizontal line is. So if I came over, I'm just gonna make a curve that returns right back to this point. That's one part of our hair. And we're gonna do the same style one more time. And then from here, I'm gonna do two little ones. So I'm gonna go up like a triangle and come back down. I'm gonna make the points of a triangle, just like that. We're not closing the triangle, we're just gonna continue with their hair. I'm gonna make one more like this. And we'll continue with her bangs. So for her bangs, the only difference is on the right side, instead of pointing to the right, we're gonna point to the left. So I'm gonna make a curve to the left, and I'm gonna come back down with the bang. And then from here, I'm just gonna make this horizontal line to connect to the rest of her hair. So there we have her bangs. And the reason we started with her bangs is because her face is attached to her bangs. So we're gonna come in, and from this point, I'm gonna make one big circle that wraps around, because her head is a circle. So from here, I'm just gonna make a circle, and I'm gonna stop somewhere over here maybe. And I just made it round like a ball. I don't know what this looks like right now. It looks so funny. But let's continue. So we could do the details in her face, which are the fun parts. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make two really big eyes that take up most of her face. So I'm just gonna make the eye on the right first. I just chose the right. I'm gonna leave a tiny bit of space on the right, a little bit of space on the top, and a little bit on the bottom. The point is I'm just leaving a little tiny space on the right side. And I'm just gonna make one big circle that almost takes up her whole face. There we have one eye. It's really big, like I told you guys. And we're gonna make that same eye on the left, leaving a little bit of space on the side, some on the top, some on the bottom, and a little bit of space right in the middle to separate the eyes. There we have the left eye. Then we could do the details of our eyes, like her eyeballs. And what we're gonna do is, on the inside of the left eye, we're gonna make a big circle that looks to the right, and it's on the right on top. There we go, I made a big circle inside of this circle, and then on the right eye, we're just gonna make it point to the left. And then we're gonna do two more, and what we're gonna do is we're also gonna do it opposite. So I'm gonna make a small one on the bottom left. It's smaller than this one, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the right. And there we have the details of her eyes. It looks a little silly right now, but it's all gonna come together. Then we could do her eyelashes. So I'm actually only gonna do one on each eye. And we're gonna copy the same curve that returns to the eye. So look, there we have one eyelash, and then we'll do the same thing on the left side. And there we have our eyelashes. And then we could continue, and we could do her eyebrows. Actually, let's do her nose and her mouth, because she looks a little creepy right now. So right in between her eyes and right at the bottom, I'm gonna make a little tiny rainbow, just like this. That is her nose, very easy. And then we're gonna do her smile, and her smile is gonna be the opposite of a rainbow, which is gonna look like the letter U. And there we have her smile. She has a nice big smile. And then we could do her eyebrows. So for her eyebrows, if you guys seen, we did Rumi, and we're gonna copy like the same style. So right here, I'm gonna make a curve right above her eye that looks like the letter C. And then I'm gonna make a horizontal line. Very simple. And then we're gonna copy at the bottom of the C, that same horizontal line. And we're gonna make one diagonal line that connects to that point. There we have one eyebrow. And we're gonna copy the same style on the left side. And there we have our eyebrows. They look super cute, and then we could continue. So guys, all we really have left is her hair, and then we're gonna do some of her body. So what we're gonna do is right in between, maybe like right where her smile ends, just a little bit more wider. So her smile is here. I'm just gonna come over a little bit more, and I'm gonna make a vertical line. That's a little long. And I'll copy the same thing on the left side. This is her neck. So we made it smaller than her head, right under her mouth. And then what we could do is we're gonna make a curved line that connects these 2 points. And I'm gonna turn my paper because it makes it easier for me. So that's her neck. And then what we are gonna do is from these points, we're gonna make 2 diagonal lines that go the opposite way. And I'm just gonna leave a little bit of space from the bottom. So I'm not gonna go all the way down. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the left side. Then I'm gonna turn my paper one more time, and I'm gonna make 1 vertical line to connect these 2 points. From here, we could do the little details of her shirt. So what I'm gonna do is, right in the middle of her whole face and her head, I'm gonna make a little point that's almost all the way at the bottom. And then from this point, we're gonna make the letter V. So we're gonna make 2 diagonal lines that go the opposite way. There we have our letter V. And then right underneath that, we're gonna copy the same diagonal lines. And I'm just gonna leave a little bit of space, and I'm gonna come from the side and connect to the bottom. Just like that, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the left side. And this is just the top of Zoey's shirt. And then we could continue with her hair, which is super cool and fun. And then we are done, we are there. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna do the pieces that come out on the front of her face. And what we're gonna do is, right where her bang starts or stops, I'm gonna make a vertical line, and I'm gonna go a little higher. So right here is where it stops, and I'm just gonna go a little longer, and I'm gonna continue that line down with a vertical line. From this vertical line, I'm gonna make a curved line that flows like her hair. That is it. And then what we could do is we could copy this same curve and then just connect it to her face. So, and that connects to her face. There we have one part of her hair. From there, we could do the other side, the other piece that sticks out. And like I said, if we come across, if I make a little point, I'm gonna go a little longer with the vertical line, just like that. Go down a little bit, and we're gonna make curves. So I'm just gonna make a curve that goes out. We're gonna copy the same design. So the curve is gonna go in just like this one does. And what stops us is her face, and then we just stop. Those are the parts in front of her face. They look like spaghettis a little bit, or worms, little worms. And then from here, we could continue with the rest of her hair. First thing we're gonna do though, is we're gonna do her ears. So right where her eye is, if we come across right in the middle, is where we could draw her ear. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do something that looks like a half circle. There's one of her ears, and we're gonna copy that same design on the left side. And then for the details inside of her ear, we're gonna do little curves like half circles. They're just super tiny, and I just placed it right in the middle of her whole ear. Then we're just gonna make a curved line that goes up, just like her eyelash does. Then we'll do the same thing on the left side, and there we have her ears. Very easy. Then we could continue, and we're just gonna do her hair that comes down, and then the like little buns that she has on her side, and we're done. So right in the middle of her face, as we've been doing, right in the middle of the paper, let's say this is the middle, we're gonna make 2 lines that look like the letter V again. This is right on top of her head. Then all we're gonna do is we're gonna make 1 curve that goes up, out, down, and then connects right to her ear. So we're just gonna make 1 big curve that connects right to her ear. That's one side of her hair. We're gonna do the same thing to the left side. So there we have like the top of her hair. And now let's do the little buns, and the buns are super cool. They're gonna look like clouds. I know it sounds silly, but I'm gonna turn the paper completely on its side. And from her ear, halfway through her ear, I'm gonna make a curve that looks like a rainbow. This rainbow is gonna go like this. It's gonna come down just a little bit. So here we did 1 little rainbow, and then we're gonna do another one that goes a little higher, and it's connected to this one. Just like that. And then we're gonna do 1 more, And as I turn my paper, this one's gonna connect to the head. So there we have one of her buns, and then we're gonna do the other side and we're just gonna copy the same style. And there we have it, guys. There we have Zoey. Hopefully you guys found it easy and fun. Please grab whatever markers, color pencils, and crayons you have, and let's get to coloring. All right, guys, and there we have Zoey. Look how pretty she came out. In her hair, I also used a brown marker, or you could use a brown crayon or color pencil. And I just made little lines because her hair is black, and it just makes it pop out more. And then I thought it would be really cool to add some stars in her eyes because she's a superstar, duh. Wow. But there we have Zoey. We also did other K-pop Demon Hunter characters, so you could also watch those videos, and I hope you guys had fun. I hope you guys found it easy, and please like and subscribe. Bye guys, thank you.